Cameron just woke up from his nap. Hi, Cameron. Are you the happiest baby? Did you have good sleeps? Yeah? Did you have good dreams? He loves looking at the moo. Tell me about it. Tell me about it, buddy. Yeah? What did you dream about, Cameron? Did you have good sleeps? Cameron is 10.5 weeks old. Yeah. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi. Hi, do you want to see the bears move? Yeah. Oh, I know. Do you love your bears? Do you love your bears? Do you love your bears? Hmm? What is this bear doing? What are they doing? Hi! Yeah? They're moving? Are they swinging around for you? What do you think? Hi, baby. Cameron, you are so big in your crib. You're so big. Okay.